The world is warming, and the worst may be yet to come. The Arab region will be among the most affected. Our environment is already fragile. 6 of the 10 most water-scarce countries in the world are in the Arab region. 18 of the 22 Arab countries are facing water scarcity. 90% of the territory in Arab countries is arid or semi-arid. Climate change will make environmental challenges more acute. Its effects may already be visible around the world. It's not only melting glaciers and causing storms, it's flooding Pakistan and Niger, China, and Chad. It's causing heat waves in Russia and raising temperatures around the world. In 2010, 6 Arab countries set new high temperature records in Sudan, in Qatar, in the occupied Palestinian territory, in Iraq, in Saudi Arabia, and in Kuwait. The projections are daunting. Rainfall is projected to decrease in the Arab countries by up to 30%, expanding the creeping desert and putting pressure on agricultural systems, straining economies and challenging livelihoods, even as populations continue to rise. The population of the Arab countries has nearly tripled since 1970, climbing from 128 million to 359 million. The region is expected to have 598 million inhabitants by 2050. Droughts, heat waves, and floods will drive populations to urban centers, putting additional pressure on limited resources and strained services. The ability to deliver clean drinking water, the ability to provide for health, and the ability to meet growing energy needs. In 2010, rising temperatures caused power outages in Iraq, Egypt, Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Kuwait. Between 1990 and 2007, energy use increased by 121%, causing the Arab region to become the 3rd fastest growing emitter of greenhouse gases and costing governments up to 30% of their annual budgets. Sea level rise and increased storm activity will threaten coastal areas, where more than half the population is living within 100 kilometers of the coast. Dust storms will become more frequent and intense, and rainfall less predictable. Intensifying development challenges throughout the region. There is an alternative. We can address the problem together. Open a dialogue and engage our people. Develop climate-resilient agriculture. Protect the fragile coast. And preserve the environment. Invest in renewable energy. And make our cities more energy efficient. The Arab countries aren't driving climate change, but they may be the ones most affected by it. To address the challenge, we need to follow words with action, not only in the region, but globally. region has faced a harsh climate for millennia, but climate change accelerates the challenge. Time is running out, and the time to act is now.